Hey viewers, this is Geek Gardener. From my last couple of short videos, a lot of you guys have asked me on what is determinate and what is indeterminate tomato. I thought I'll take a minute to explain that. Indeterminate tomato is a variety of tomato which can live for a longer time. So you cannot really predict how long they will live, hence you cannot determine it. So indeterminate tomato, as long as you keep it fed and manage to not kill it, it will continue to grow. And these are all tomato varieties that keep yielding throughout the season and not all at once. So a plant like that is what we have in the front, and this is a indeterminate cherry tomato. And you can see indeterminate plants grow very tall, and especially if you remove those side branches and side shoots and suckers, they are very vigorous and they grow up to 40-50 feet in height. So we are at the topmost point. If you observe an indeterminate tomato plant, the topmost point will always be a leaf tip. That's a growing point, and it will continue to grow. It will always be a leaf tip, and flowers form on the side. You see, for every 3 leaf nodes there will be a flower, but the topmost point is a leaf tip. Likewise in the other branch, in any branch you see, the topmost point will be a growing tip that will not be terminated, it will just keep growing. That is an indeterminate. So to give you an idea, these plants are about 4.5 to 5 feet tall, and they can go all the way up to 20-25 feet also. Whereas a determinate plant, you can actually determine how long they are going to live. So I have a determinate plant here with me. So for example, these plants branch a lot. They don't have a continuous growing tip. So let's follow this particular stem. It has a stem, there is a leaf here, there is a leaf here, there is a flower node, and then there is one more flower. And then after that there is nothing. There is just another flower and there is no growing tip. This branch will not go anything beyond this. This is the final growth for this branch. To produce more flower, it will produce more branches, and the height will remain about maximum 3 feet, 4 feet. So these plants yield all at once, or all in 2-3 surges of yields, and hence they are determinate. So always follow the stem, and then if it ends with a flower, that is a determinate plant, and if it ends with a growing tip, that is a indeterminate plant. So hope you learned this and enjoyed watching this video. For more such tips, keep following Geek Gardener Instagram account. Thank you.